Old school Balisong, the Chaplin, the thumb Chaplin to be precise. Well, the way I learned to Chaplin is from here, you make big circles, big circles. And then as you get better, you make the circles shorter, and now you're Chaplining. Same holds true for the thumb Chaplin. Like I told you, I'm not good at this one yet. To get into the thumb Chaplin, I only know one way, and that's through the 8-ball, okay? So you end up here, and now big circles. 1 circle, 2 circles, and then you take those bigger circles, and then you shorten them up to where you're thumb Chaplining. Okay, we'll both practice. Let's see who gets better first. Most likely, it's going to be you. Old school Balisong.